Hi guys, keep watching my video. If this video is in Urdu, the next video is going to be in English. The same video if you can't understand my language, so I'm helping it out because I was getting so many requests that all my videos should be in English. So from now on, I'm making a video in Urdu and in English as well. Thank you very much. Take care. Enjoy this video.
Hi guys, this is Arshad Qureshi and welcome to my training room again. And today I am going to show you a secret of taking ball away from the straight shot. Once as you can see in the picture, the blue ball is straight and the white ball is straight, how I'm gonna maneuver my white ball on the either side of the table. It's been a long discussion for different players. Some people feel that they can play with side, so the white ball go either on the black side or on the box side. Sorry. So today we are going to explore that and see how things work and what's the best way to do this rightly. So before we start, I would like to request you guys that if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends, and also press the bell button so you can get all my upcoming updates. So let's start with this video and let me show you how it is to be done. If you want to have personal training with me, I'm in Islamabad. You can contact me if you need a snooker table, or even if you want to invite me in your city, in your country, I'm available. So you have all my contact details. So let's start with the shot. So this is a very simple shot, and you can see this is dead straight with the blue ball. White ball is a dead straight with the blue ball. What I'm gonna do is, if I play with the plain ball central striking and aim my blue ball in the middle of the pocket, and ball goes in straight and the white ball follows it. So what's the best way to maneuver it? Now that's the tricky part, or a secret part, that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you that the pocket, the ball is smaller than the middle pocket, as you can see, and there is a quarter of an inch or half of an inch distance on both sides of the table. What you can do is you can aim your object ball on one side of the pocket wherever you want to take your white ball to. So now let me show you how it is to be done. You must need practice. Please make sure you practice. So make sure once you apport the ball, or you are aiming the ball on the left side of the pocket, if you want to take your white ball towards the black spot. So you can see that how I'm aiming it now. No side, it's central top striking, but you can see the hit of the ball. It was on the left side of the pocket from where I was playing. So let me show you this in a slow motion and observe how it's been done. And you can see the striking is in the middle top, +4 I'm hitting, and you can see when I'm gonna hit the red, notice the red ball is gonna hit the left jaw of the pocket from where I was playing, then the white ball moves towards the right. So it's very interesting that people think that always the side is required to maneuver the white ball, so it's a wrong theory. Now we're going to take the other side of the table, and you're going to aim the other side of the you're going to aim the red on the other side of the pocket to maneuver our white ball towards ball side. You can see again a plain ball strike, but notice how red strikes on the right side of the pocket from where I was playing. So let's watch this shot again in slow motion, and that will help you understand more about this shot. So there is no side involved, because side adds risk in your shots. So if you focus a bit more, your potting should be strong and steady, and you aim if your aiming is correct, again your aiming is should be highly accurate. So make sure you're aiming correctly. You can see the red ball goes in without any problem, and white ball moves on the one side of the shot. Sorry, today I'm not feeling well. It's viral things going on these days, but still working. So let me show you same shot from the different angles, and I hope you are going to practice this shot. You have to practice every shot, every drill or every routine I mentioned to you. You must practice, otherwise without practice not possible. So again, from this side, if I'm going to take the white ball towards the right side of the pocket, I'm going to aim my red ball to the left side of the pocket, left jaw of the pocket. You can see, yes. And now you can see, let's have a quick look on the slow motion. Look at the red ball where it's gonna hit, and look at the white ball. Again, it's a plain ball shot. There you go. So it's not that difficult to maneuver the white ball, because it gets very difficult for some people who doesn't understand the myth. So it is one of the secret I wanted to share with you guys. Let's play the same shot from the other side. This time red is gonna hit on the further right jaw of the pocket, and again I am hitting in the center of the top center of the white ball, you see. And let's have a quick look at the same shot in slow motion, and now you can notice that how white ball moves towards left when I'm aiming the red ball on the right jaw of the pocket. And there you go, you can see it hits on the right jaw and then goes in. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I tried to show you a secret of moving your white ball on the other side of the table, which was kind of a secret, but now it's not a secret anymore, of course. But again, you need to practice on this shot, and make sure that most of the tables are standard size tables in your clubs or in your snooker centers, in your academies. This is a Baraka M1 snooker table, so it has a standard pocket size. So when you practice, when you know how to aim, you can play this shot correctly. Again, I would like you to practice this shot at least 15 to 20 times, and then you can understand how white ball moves. So subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and also press the bell button and share my channel with your friends, because all my videos are coming in English as well. So if you have any questions about this shot or this practice, or even you can send me your videos, I can analyze that video, and then share it with our friends and fans to make them understand the importance of this shot. So if you must practice, and always practice. This is very important. Thank you very much. Bye.